Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Student, I am your subject teacher of SST, myself Rita Pathak. Today we are going to read about our chapter 15. Chapter name is Early Humans. Student, by this chapter we will be learn about of the life of the early humans, how they discovered the fire and invented the wheels, and also we know how this changed their life. Student, can you imagine a life without the houses we live in, televisions, school, delicious food, means of transport and communication? It would be so difficult, but early man lived without these things. Early humans lived on earth many thousands of years ago. They roamed around in search of food and shelters. They took shelter on trees and in caves. Students, they did not know how to build houses, so they spent their time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes. But all this could not provide them security from wild animals and observe and adverse climate conditions. Then they gradually started living in caves. They ate plants, fruit, and nuts. They also hunted animals and ate their flesh raw. Because early man did not know about of air, so they ate their flesh raw. Student, discovery of fire. Early humans discovered how to use fire to cook their food, stay warm and safe. Early humans discovered fire and its use. This changed the way they lived. They learned to use fire to cook their food. Fire kept them warm. It also kept them safe from animals because early humans live in forest. Wild animals most of live in forest. Wild animals is very dangerous. So fire is kept them safe from wild animals. So they could not move out of their caves and take shelter in open area. Student, look this picture. This picture is indicate different types of tools. This tools is made of stone. Early humans made tools like hammers, axes, and spears out of stones. Some tools had handles of wood or bones. They used this to hunt animals and cut up the meat. One question for you. What kinds of tools did early humans use? Your answer is hammers, axes, and spears. Tools used to kill the animals. Student, did you know? Can you think of life without the wheels? The wheel is useful to us in many ways. Cars and buses runs on wheels. Potter makes pot with the potter's wheel. Wheels are also important parts of machine. There are several others uses of the wheels. Can you think of some more? Student, look here. This picture of spears, hammers and eggs. Early humans used these tools to kill the animals and cut their flesh. They used sharp stone to kill animals. These stone tools improved with time and their requirements. They made spears, hammers, axe and axe heads. They used sharp stone to kill animals. These stone tools improve with the time and their requirements. They covered their bodies with large leaves, bark of tree and animal skin, which they swept together with the needle made of bones. Student, early man had no cloth. They covered their body with leaves and bark of tree and animal skin. Okay. Next topic, making of the first wheels. Early humans must have been seen logs rolled down slabs. They may have tried to move heavy things on log and found it easier than dragging or pushing them. The first wheel were invented around 5 years ago. Early humans made the first wheels. First wheel made around 5,000 years ago. The first wheel were roughly crude pieces of wood that could roll. In the course of time, early humans made cart with wheels. They also taught animals to pull these cart. Student, look this picture. This picture is a indicator of cart vehicles. Early humans pushed the cart vehicles. People could now travel over long distance. They could also move heavy things easily. Thus, the wheels changed the human's life in many ways. When the early man invented the wheels changed human life in many ways because they carry heavy things to use cart for going to one place to another place. Okay, farming. Over time, human beings learned to grow crops. This is known as farming. The early humans could grow their food now. They no longer needed to wander around in search of food. Early humans learned to grow crops. Early villages, they began to live in a small group near rivers and lakes. This became the first village. Where the crops needed water to grow, so early man began to live in small groups near river and lake. This place grew into the village. Taming of animals. Soon early humans saw that some animals were friendly and could be tamed. So they started taming animals like goat, dogs, cows, and oxen. They raised these animals for meat, milk, and their skin. Early humans tamed animals like as goat, dog, cows, and oxen. They also use animals like the ox or bullcock to dig the land for planting crops. Student, early humans used to animals to dig the land for planting crops. In ancient time, early human had not any modern vehicles like a tractor and other agriculture vehicles. So they use only animals to dig the land for planting crops. One most important thing for you. Nothing can be done without hard work. It is good to work hard, never be lazy. Students, this is a good habit. So you follow these rules in your life because hard work is very good work. It is important for all humans because we cannot anything without hard work. So we always work hard in life for standard life. Students, look this picture. This picture is early humans. Early humans had no house, no food and no clothes. They always live in caves and forest. Okay, student? You read this chapter with carefully and listen some words for early humans, discovery of fire, tamed animals and farming and first wheels. Okay, student? Thanks.